Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So this is kind of a part 2 from the video I uploaded a couple of days ago. I know I said I was going to be doing an unboxing and reorganising my setup on video, but the video, I got a little bit carried away and I kind of got into a discussion about selling precious metals. So if you're interested in kind of the tips and things that I've noticed when trying to sell these pieces of silver, do watch the video I uploaded a couple of days ago, because I go into a bit more detail about the difficulties that I've had when trying to liquidate silver. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a tidy up. I've got all these here for Cobra Stacker. I've adjusted my lighting. I've actually got a kind of warmer colour. Let me know what you think about that. I did that in the video the other day as well, and I didn't mention it because I wanted to see if anyone picked up on it. But this actual light has got 3 different setups. It's got this one here that I normally use, and it's kind of brighter, it's more white. Then you've got this one here, which is like a warmer setting. And then you've got this one here. So do let me know which one you prefer. Like I said, that one's more kind of white. This one's more yellowy. And this one's kind of, it's still white, but it's not as bright. So yeah, I'll be interested to hear. But we're going to continue filming in this one today, just because I think it gives it a little bit of a different feel. But yeah, I'll be interested to hear your thoughts on the colour of the lighting. Now I made a little bit more space. Like I said, these are for Cobra. I'm going to get these over to him as soon as possible. Get these out of the way. And we're going to go for this one here. Now this is something I picked up from the Silver Forum. For those of you that have been watching my videos for the last couple of weeks, you'll know that I've been picking up quite a lot of stuff from the Silver Forum. I had a break from the Silver Forum while I was building this channel, but now I'm back on there and you can get some really good deals on there. I almost forgot how good it was of a place to buy. I've always spoken very highly of the Silver Forum, but because I haven't really been on there for kind of nearly a year, I really did forget how good it was. Now this coin is a Kookaburra coin. It's a 1996, and I can't remember exactly what I paid, but I will put the amount on the screen now so you can see. But I picked this up from the Silver Forum. Extremely quick delivery. I think it took only a couple of days to arrive. It's come in not only a bag, but also in a really nice capsule. A nice tight fitting capsule. But I just saw it on there and it popped up, and that's the beauty of the Silver Forum. Sometimes you just go on there and you haven't really got anything in mind what you're looking for, but it's almost like window shopping, and every now and then you stumble across something and you think that looks really nice, I've just got to have that. And I know you might think it's a little bit strange when I've just been talking about how I'm not going to be buying much more collectible pieces. I'm going to be aiming for more kind of tubes and standard bars. But there are still pieces that really catch my eye, and I really like the font on this. I like the fact that it looks really vintage. I'm definitely not going to be doing a Creative Precious Metals move or a Cobra Stacker move and start collecting the whole series of these, because I feel like the series is too large and it's going to be too expensive for me to try and backdate and collect it all. And also, like I said in the last video, I'm not looking to start building up my kind of collection side of things. I'm trying to build up my investment side of precious metals. So yeah, let me know what you think about that coin. It's a really nice piece. It's going to be going into the deep stack. And don't get me wrong, although I've sold a few collectible coins, I still have got a hell of a lot of ounces in collectible silver. And I will always have an allocation to collectible silver, because that is the hobby side of things. That is the part of me that likes collecting this stuff as a hobby. And I think it's just very important to kind of separate the two. Have a stack that is for investment, that is not emotionally connected to you. And what I mean by that is you can just sell it in a heartbeat. If spot price went up tomorrow, you could just grab all the tubes out and you could just sell them all, liquidate in an instant. You wouldn't have to think twice. And then I think it's quite important to have your separate stack that is a little bit more emotional, where you pick up some more premium things that it wouldn't be so easy to sell in a heartbeat. But you buy them because you like them. It keeps the hobby interesting. It keeps the spark of the hobby going. So yeah, there we go. Hope you found that video interesting. Just a short video there to show my latest pickup. As always, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a very nice day.